Okay, good morning to all. So this is Selvam from SNS of Technology and from Department of Computer Engineering. So today we are going to see about introduction to XML and why we are going to use XML document in web technologies. Okay, so first one, introduction. Okay, introduction to XML. Okay, so first part we have just to a small intro and why use XML, and third one syntax, and fourth one document structure, and last one rules for XML. Okay, so we have to see about five different topics in this video. So first one, just we go tell about introduction. So XML is one type of web technologies languages. It is similar to HTML. Okay, it is similar to HTML, but in HTML they are using a predefined tags. Predefined tags. But in XML we using own tag. Okay, so this is very important. So in a predefined tags they are in already existing in HTML, but the own tag means we are going to create our self functions. That's why we are using XML. Okay, so XML is also discrete languages, and also it is created by human as well as machine-readable languages. Okay, so without sharing the data, the XML is going to store and transporting different data or the interchange formats. Okay, so second thing, why we use XML means, so the XML is going to simplify some things. Simplify things. So the storing the data and the transporting or interchanging very easy in the XML languages. Okay, so that the hardware and software content. So our MKS we are used to creating, transporting, and sharing the data in between the two different XML documents. Okay, so what the syntax of XML means? So this is a syntax. Syntax, just we are going to create one less than character and then question mark and then XML version equal to 1.0 and encoding equal to UTF-A. Again close mark. This is, so this is the syntax of XML code. So this is the first line of XML coding. So the version is defaultly 1.0 version of XML languages, and UTF is a character set. It is an option from the all coders. So we just know about the rules of XML. So just see about the first line of XML syntax. Okay. So third one document, fourth one document structure. So how we are going to write XML code in web technologies? So we have some document structures. So first thing, syntax for root element. Syntax for root element. So in the XML, one or more have root elements. For example, suppose we are going to send a message to students. For example, they have to submit an assignment. So I am going to create a one XML root element. First thing is going to do, and then from, and then subject, and then content. So these four are elements. Four are elements. So the four contain from the main element is message. So this is the root element. This is the root element of this element. Okay, so one root element, so it contains more than one element. That is called syntax of root elements. Okay, and then next is the document structure. So document structure means in an XML document it contains descriptives and